Not in the shadow. It's okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Oh. Hi guys. So now I will open. And today my vlog for today is unboxing my new Kitchenaid. So here now. Ding 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 ding.
My God. Wow.
So my Kitchenaid is coming from Singapore. Thanks to my sponsor. Thank you, sponsor.
Your husband?
Yeah, my sponsor is from Germany. I'm loving my new Kitchenaid. I love the color. So my bowl, what is that mixing bowl? I have here my mixing bowl. Get the plastic, my dear. Okay. I have two mixing bowls. Pizza. Yeah, it's just like that. And here is it's nice. And here is two. Oh, and this too. Oh my god. So this is, I think this is 4.5. Or how much is this? Oh, thank you, sponsor, for that chocolate. And also for my coffee. So this two mixing bowl. Thank you, Van Benedict Dublon, for this. And of course, my mommy, Justin. Thank you so much. Thank you everything kaya pa today.
What is this?
It's for grinding. So I have here the coffee. Of course, I love Old Town coffee. My Old Town coffee. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you. Thank you. Delivered here. What will you do?
I will see. Forgotten.
Oh,
Yeah.
you make a cake now?
I will see.
Oh, delivered from here. And of course, I have this. And of course, I have a new polo shirt. It's for me. Woo! Again, start it. What you doing there?
Starting.
Why you need to have it strong? Do it slowly.
It's not slowly. It's only one.
I like it. And of course, the polo shirt. Thank you so much. Uh-huh. Thank you so much. Uh-huh. Thank you, sponsor, for my polo shirt. I love it. Giordano. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to like and share, make a comment, and subscribe. Okay, bikin naman, support naman my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Stay safe and be healthy. God bless us all.